Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the video settings on your Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and adjust the video settings. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Meta AI app, then click on Devices on the left-hand side or on the bottom right-hand side. Then click on the gear icon, then click on Media, then click on Video Settings. So this is where you can choose the video length, and then click on Full HD and also choose which resolution you want. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the video settings on your Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.